Yo, YouTube, what's going on? This is the 2013 Passat where they put diesel fuel in their gas. And so what I did is the fuel pump is accessible through the back seat. I pulled the back seat out, pulled the fuel pump out, sucked all that diesel fuel out of there. It was a little under a half, about a quarter of a tank maybe. It was sitting outside, so I left all that with the back seat open, the back windows cracked. That way it could evaporate whatever was left in the tank, which was just very, very minute. Got the fuel pump today, which is the 25th of April. Put about 5 gallons of gas in it, put the fuel pump in it, did not connect the electrical connector. Got another technician. I don't recommend doing this, but it's the only thing that we had. Starting fluid just to get it running for a second, kind of get it hot enough. Wasn't long, maybe a minute. Reconnected the electrical connector, primed the fuel rail, get it to start, and it smoked like crazy. Check engine light didn't come on, but it smoked like crazy. And finally, when I got it to idle like it's supposed to, I started going on test drive. I've gone 7.5 miles now, and it is running really good. No check engine light, it starts right up, it doesn't hesitate. So that was actually a pretty good fix right there. So lesson learned, don't put diesel fuel in your gasoline engine. I'll probably go another 7 miles back to the shop, call the customer, tell them to come get it. Oh, I'll put a fuel system cleaner in the tank too, and I'll have them go fill up. And yeah, it's running great, man. That's about it. That's what I did. That's how I fixed it. Luckily, it didn't do anything to the cats, so cats were fine. There's no codes pending or anything. This thing's good to go. So appreciate it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I love you all.